First of all, I want to thank God for this day, and especially for blessing me with you. Habang inaalala ko kung paano tayo nag-umpisa, I couldn't help but wonder why you never left. Hindi naging madali ang relasyon nating dalawa. Sa loob ng 5 taong mahigit, ipinaglaban mo ang posisyon sa buhay ko. At may mga panahon na nakikita kitang napapagod, pero ni minsan, wala akong maalala na bumitiw ka.
Charlene, I never expected we've got this far, from through 2 different places. Hindi naging hadlang yung distansya, and maybe it was a way of God for how long and how brave we are to strengthen and fight for our love. And now that God had made me the luckiest man standing on earth today, granting me the most special woman I've ever known, who always make the normal days turn out so special, that when I'm looking at you makes the worry about and sadness fly away. Thank you for choosing to share your lifetime with me. Thanks for lifting me up and making me believe at myself. Hindi na ako makakahiling pa ng sobra dahil pinuno mo na ako. In this very special day of our life, I promise that I won't fail to wake up each day in love with you, to honor you, respect, and be your king to protect you. And at the end of the day, I will always bow to my queen. I love you so much, Charlene. I will always find a way to make you fall in love for the rest of my life. I love you.
When I gave the word, now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Nico at Charlene, ano man ang gagawin ninyo, lagi niyong lakipan ng pagmamahal. Ito, tandaan ninyo, maging bahagi ng buhay ninyo si Kristo, at sa inyong kahinaan, ang ibigay ninyo ay ang pag-ibig ni Kristo na siyang laging tapat sa isa't isa.
Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king.
Charlene, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Nico na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Nico, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Charlene na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world.
Natatandaan mo pa ba nung magkalayo pa tayong dalawa? Mas matagal pa yung oras na nagbiyabiyahe ka kaysa sa mga oras na magkasama tayong dalawa. It's been a very long journey, Nico. And now, we're finally getting married. And alam mo ba kung ano ang pinakamaganda sa lahat? Yun na yung si God ang gumawa ng love story na meron tayong dalawa. Habang naglalakad ako sa aisle kanina, nakita kita. I saw everything. My future, the father of my children. That was the rest of my life right there. Worth it lahat ng paghihirap nating dalawa. Dahil walang katumbas yung mga panahon na magkasama na tayong dalawa. Masasabi ko na yung pagmamahalan nating dalawa ay pagmamahalan ng isang pamilya. Dahil kahit magkamali ang isa sa ating dalawa, mas pinili nating itama ang kamalian ng isa't isa, kaysa piliin na maghiwalay na lamang. Welcome to another chapter of our life, Nico, and I'm indeed happy to be your forever partner in everything. I love you.
Bilang tagapagpatunay ng simbahan, pinagtitibay ko't binabasbasan ang pagtataling puso na inyong pinagtipan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know